parents, are all of you ready with your children? Boys and girls, are all of you ready to start the first food demo where we are going to do a very, very healthy snack, afternoon snack. It can be a morning snack or it can be an afternoon snack for all of you. Okay, so we have blueberries here. Okay, so I hope that all of you can see the blueberries. Okay, we can cut the blueberries into half. Okay, and so that it will be easier for children to consume them. Okay, and we have mango as well. Okay, very sweet, juicy, ripe mangoes. Okay, so we have mango as well with blueberry. And we have our low-fat, high-calcium yogurt here. Okay, so parents, these three ingredients are very easy to purchase and they are very healthy for your children because mangoes and blueberries, they are very high in vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, and they are very high in antioxidants and phytochemicals. It will keep children very strong, healthy, and then boys and girls, I'm sure all of you will be strong, want to be strong and healthy and do not want to fall sick easily, right? Okay, so parents, are all of you ready with these three ingredients? Or boys and girls, are you all ready with the ingredients? Okay, I have a bit of honey here, which is optional. Okay, a bit of honey here, which is optional. So we will put the honey at the last part if you want a slightly sweeter taste to your mango and blueberry. Okay. Okay, right now we will mash up our mangoes. Okay, because mangoes are very soft and they are very easy to mash. So we will use a fork to mash up our mango. Okay, you can mash it up a bit or cut it into smaller pieces so that it's easier for you to eat. Okay, I can see some boys and girls are already very excited. Y'all can't wait to taste the mango, right? Because mangoes are very sweet. Okay, and mangoes, you can see that mangoes and blueberries, they are very bright in color. Correct. So remember just now when I mentioned that if you choose brightly colored fruits and vegetables, they will be higher in vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, zinc, potassium, and vitamin C. All right. Okay, so boys and girls, you all can use a fork to lightly mash up your mango or cut your mango into smaller pieces. Okay, for your blueberry, you can also cut them into half. Okay, you can cut them into half like this. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to consume the blueberry in the yogurt popsicle. Okay, so if all of you are ready, we will pour some blueberry into a bowl. Okay, and then we'll pour some blueberry into a bowl. Okay, and we will add in some mango. You can add in as much mango as you like. So boys and girls, if you prefer more blueberry, you can put in more blueberry. If you prefer more mango, you can put in more mango. It's really up to you. Okay, so you can see that the mango and blueberry are nicely mixed together. Okay, then after we put in the mango and blueberry, we will pour in our high calcium, low fat yogurt. So remember earlier on I mentioned that all of you, boys and girls, should be consuming high calcium dairy products, right? Because high calcium dairy products are important for building strong bones and teeth. And all of you are growing taller each year. So you definitely need the calcium for strong bones. Okay, so we'll mix in the yogurt. So you can see that the mango, blueberry, and the yogurt mixture is here. Give it a light stir. So you can see actually this is already a very refreshing snack. You know, sometimes if parents, you do not want to make it into a popsicle, you can also mix this yogurt mixed fruit snack for your children for morning snack or for afternoon snack. It's a really very refreshing and healthy snack. Okay, so you can mix all up, give you a good gentle mix together. Okay, and if your children would like it to be a bit sweeter, then you can put maybe a small, like half a tablespoon of honey inside. Okay, half a tablespoon. Okay, but I recommend that you do not put too much honey because the fruits and vegetables are already very sweet. And they give the yogurt a very good refreshing flavor even without the honey. Okay, so boys and girls, all of you should not take things that are too sweet. So if you want a bit of honey in your yogurt popsicle, it is fine, but do not put too much honey. Okay? Okay, so after you add in the honey, give it a good mix as well. Okay, so you can see that the honey is mixing very nicely into this whole bowl. Okay, and you are going to have a lot of nutrients from this bowl because you're going to have calcium, you're going to have fiber, you're going to have vitamins, you're going to have minerals, and all these will give you actually antioxidants and phytochemicals. Okay, so mix in the honey. Okay, and here we have prepared popsicle molds, actually popsicle molds, like ice cream molds, as all of you can see. Okay, so popsicle molds are prepared here. But if at home, parents, you do not have popsicle molds, you can actually put this yogurt mixture into small jars with a cover. Okay, so you can prepare them and place them into small jars and then put them in the refrigerator or in the freezer if it's a popsicle. Okay, and then they will be a very refreshing, healthy afternoon or morning snack. Okay, I see that some boys and girls are really very excited and they are trying their mango blueberry yogurt mixture. Okay, I'm sure all of you will like it because it's made up of different flavors and the fruits itself are very, very sweet and they have very nice textures and flavors. Okay, so let's scoop. If you have popsicle mold or small jars at home, let's scoop the mixture into the popsicle. Okay, so parents, actually is your choice. If you want to freeze it and make it into a popsicle, you can. If not, you can put it into small jars and put it in the fridge for your child to consume later as a refreshing snack. Okay, so boys and girls, are all of you scooping right now into your popsicle mold or into your small jars? I'm sure all of you will enjoy this refreshing snack later. Okay, so here I have my popsicle mold, if you all can see it. Okay, I'm filling them with my fruits, vegetables, and yogurt. I mean my mango, blueberry, and yogurt. Wow, I can see that some of you are enjoying yourselves. Okay, and you are filling them into your small jars, small bottles, or your popsicle mold. And some children even have your chef hat on. Children, do you know that it's very good that you have your daddy and mommy prepare your meals? Okay, even though this is just a snack, okay, or a dessert for you, you can also help your daddy and mommy prepare main meals. Okay, like for example, if your daddy or mommy is preparing your lunch and dinner, you can help them choose the ingredients. So remember, earlier I mentioned that you can buy like colorful fruits and vegetables. Okay, so you help them to prepare and choose the healthier ingredients for your meal. Okay, and then you will be able to enjoy your meal that you have prepared yourself. Okay, so my yogurt popsicle is ready to be placed in the freezer. Okay, and after a few hours, you'll be able to enjoy your healthy dessert. Okay, so this is the yogurt popsicle that I prepared. And parents, you can actually place them, if you have bottle jars and you do not want to place them in the freezer, you can place them in your refrigerator as well. Okay, so now parents, can we take some time again, like 1 to 2 minutes to prepare our banana oatmeal breakfast oats? Okay, we are moving on to the next item, so we'll take some time, about 1 to 2 minutes to prepare our ingredients.
All right, if everybody is done with their products, should we, can you show it to the camera and let's see what your end product looks like? All right, so let's take a photo, leave it higher, closer to the camera, and let's see. All right. All right, let's take a photo. Just hold it there for us all to see. And together, 1, 2, and 3. All right, some of you might want to back out a little bit. You're too close to the camera. All right, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, smile. All right, it's great. Okay, yeah. So, all right, we are gonna continue preparing. Give us a minute and we'll be back soon.
Okay, boys and girls, I've seen that all of you have done very well for your first food demo. Okay, I'd like all of you to give yourselves 2 thumbs up. Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up? Because all boys and girls, I've seen that your yogurt popsicle is so well done. I'm sure all of you will enjoy your healthy, refreshing dessert or snack later. Okay, so give yourselves 2 thumbs up because you have prepared a healthy snack for yourself. Okay, and this is not an easy preparation, but you have managed to do it successfully. Okay, so I am sure all of you can be very good chefs. Okay, and you can help your daddies and mommy in preparing healthy meals from now on. Okay, so remember, when you go supermarket shopping with your daddies and mommies, choose the healthy snacks and colorful fruits and vegetables.